Welcome to my Credit Strong review. I'll share my experience and show you how it can help you build credit and reach your financial goals. Find links in the description for more details. Credit Strong helps you build credit without needing credit cards or traditional loans. It combines a credit builder loan with a savings account, so you build credit and savings at the same time. It's perfect if you're new to credit, rebuilding, or just want to improve your score. Here's how it works. Credit Strong sets up a secured savings account and a loan tied to it. Your monthly payments build savings and pay down the loan. Every on-time payment is reported to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, building positive credit history. Credit Strong offers flexible plans tailored to your budget and goals, with various repayment periods. There's no hard credit check, so it's accessible even with poor or no credit. Track your progress with Credit Strong's tools and see your score improve. There's no early payoff penalty, so close the account when you're ready. Credit Strong is a reliable, simple, and effective way to build or rebuild credit while saving. Its user-friendly setup, flexible plans, and positive credit reporting make it a great option. Ready to take control of your credit? Check the links in the description to get started.